the next question in perimeter and area is, see, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. You have to find the radius, also find the area of the sheet. So we have to find circumference of a circular sheet. Circumference of the circular sheet means that is perimeter of the circle. So perimeter of the circle is given in this question. We have to find the radius. R we have to find, and also find the area of the sheet. So now how to find radius of the circle? Here circumference is given. So perimeter of the circle is 154 meter. Perimeter of the circle is 154 meter, and by using this we can find the radius. So we know the formula, perimeter of circle is equal to 2 into pi into r, means 2 pi r. So here perimeter is given, so P means 154 meter, 2 into pi value we know 22 by 7, and we don't know what is the radius. So what is the radius of a circle? So now you can multiply, see here this is divided, 22 by 7 divided, so it will multiply another side. So 154 meter into 7. So here 2 into 22, that is 44 into r. So r is equal to, radius is equal to 154 into 7 divided by 44. So now I think 2 table divides 154 into 7 divided by 44. So here this is divisible by 2 table, to 2s are, to 2s are. So 22s are. To how much are 15? To 7s are 14, 1 remaining, to 7s are 14. So 77 into 7 divided by 22. So again 22 and 77 are divisible by 11 table. 11 2s are 22, 11 7s are 77. So what is remaining? Remaining 7 into 7 divided by 2. So 7 7s are 49 divided by 2. This is the radius of the circular sheet. Clear? Perimeter of the circular sheet is given. Perimeter is given. Now they asked to find radius. What is the radius of the circle? Clear? So then here they asked one more question. Also find the area of the sheet. Also find the area of the sheet. So how to find area of the sheet? A is equal to pi r square. So this is the formula to find area of the circular sheet. So here A is equal to pi is 22 by 7 into, and radius is given 49 by 2. So 49 by 2 the whole square. 49 by 2 the whole square. So here if I write area is equal to 22 by 7 into 49 by 2 the whole square, means that is 49 divided by 2 into 49 divided by 2. So here 7 divides, 7 1s are 7 7s are, 7 7s are 49, correct? So here again 2 divides, 2 1s are, 2 11s are, 2 11s are 22. So what is remaining? Remaining value is 11 into 7 into 49 divided by 2. So now if we multiply, we will get 7 into 11, 77 into 49 divided by 2. So again you have to multiply 77 into 49. So if I multiply this, 77 into 49, 9 7s are, 7 9s are 63, 6 remaining, 9 7s are 63, correct? 7 9s are 63, 63 plus 6, so that is 69. So 4 7s are 28, 4 7s are 28 plus 2, 30. So answer 3, 17, 1, 7, 3, 7, 7, 3. Okay, I got 3773 divided by 2. 2. So this, if I multiply, I'll get 3773 divided by 2. Then again we can simplify divided by 2. See, 2 ones are 2, means 1 remaining here. 17. 2 how much is 17? 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. So 1 remaining. Correct? So again 2 8s are 16. 1 remaining. 2 6s are 12. 12 means 1 remaining. So 10. So 5s are 2 5s are 10. So 1886.5, that is centimeter square. Correct? Question is in meter. Sorry. So this is meter square. So this is what the area of circular sheet. Area of circular sheet is 1886.5 meter square. Here. Yes. Okay. The next question, fourth one. See, a garden wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Okay, so this is what a circular shape garden. Okay, circle shape garden. So circle shape garden diameter is given 21 meter. So this is what a diameter of the circle. So now they are asking to find the length of the rope he needs to purchase. So we want to find the length of the rope is required, clear, to fence the circular garden. Clear? So now the rope he needs to purchase. If he makes 2 rounds of fence, so now also find the cost of the rope. You have to find the cost of the rope, how much rope is required and what is the cost of that rope. If it costs rupees 4 per meter, 1 meter rupees 4 means how much meter of rope is required. Okay, that is a question mark. So first we must know what is the perimeter of that circular garden. What is the length of this garden, perimeter of the garden. Okay, first we'll see our garden want to fence a circular garden of diameter is given. Diameter is a 21 meter. If diameter is 21 meter, so what is the radius? Radius is 21 divided by 2 meter. So this is the radius of the circular garden. Clear? So now if you know the radius, diameter, radius, then we can find perimeter. So length of the circular garden. So how to find length of the circular garden? That is by using formula 2 into pi into r. So perimeter we want to find. So we know the value of pi. Pi is 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is 21 divided by 2 meter. Okay. Now simplification. We can simplify this. 7 ones are 7 threes are 21. 2 ones are 2 11s are 2 11s are 22. So now remaining 2 into 11 into 3. 2 into 11 into 3, that is 2 11s are 22. 22 into 3, 66 meter. So this is the length of the garden or perimeter of the garden, or we can say circumference of the circumference of a circular garden. Clear? So now if you know the circumference of the circle, see now we can find the rope he needs to purchase. So what we need to find the length of the rope. We want to find the length of the rope. So what do you want to do? If he makes 2 rounds, so now you have to find length of the rope is required for fencing. 2 rounds. Clear? So now find the length of the rope. So length of the rope required for fencing the garden, So we find how many times you want to round it. 2 rounds. Okay, now we want to find the length of rope required for fencing. So now write 2 into 2 times we want to fence the garden. Perimeter of the garden we know 66 meter. So that is one round, isn't it? So 2 rounds you want. So 2 into 66 meter. So perimeter of the circular garden is 66 meter. That is one round. So he want to fence the garden 2 times, 2 rounds. So 2 into 66. So 2 into 66, 2 6 are 12 and remaining 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 13. So 132 meter. So this is the length of the rope required for fencing. So 132 meter. Understood? So now one more question they asked. Also find the cost of the rope if it cost is rupees 4 per meter. So 1 meter. So if 1 meter is 1 meter of rope cost is rupees 4. 1 meter of rope is rupees 4. Now we are asking what is the cost of, what is the cost rupees, we don't know what is the cost of 132 meter length of a rope. Clear? 1 meter length of rope is rupees 4. So now question is 132 meter length of the rope is how much rupees. So if we cross multiply, we'll get 132 meter into rupees 4 divided by 1 meter. So meter and meter get cancelled. So now 132 into 4, if we multiply 132 into 4, we'll get 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 1 remaining, 4 1s are 4, 5. So 528 rupees. So this is the cost of a length of the rope. Clear? Yes. Okay, the next question, that is fifth one. See, from a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter. Now see, if this is a circular sheet, okay, this is one circle shape, circular sheet of radius is given 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter radius of circular sheet. And one more, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. So from this circular sheet, this is a circular sheet, in this 3 centimeter of circle is removed from the circular sheet. Clear? So 3 centimeter of circle is removed from this. If I consider this is O, so from here to here this is 4 centimeter, larger circle. So larger circle radius is 4 centimeter and this is a smaller circle. The smaller circle radius is 3 centimeter. Okay, larger circle radius 4 centimeter and smaller circle radius is 3 centimeter. So in 4 centimeter of circle, 4 centimeter radius of circle, from that we have to subtract or we have to remove this much area, means 3 centimeter of the radius of the circle. Clear? So from large circle we want to subtract, we want to remove smaller circle. From a large circle you have to subtract smaller circle, then this is the remaining area. If you remove this much sheet, means 3 centimeter radius of the circle is removed, then what is remaining? So this is the remaining area of the circle. So that we need to find the area of the remaining sheet. Clear? So from the circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed and they are asking find the area of the remaining sheet. Find the area of the remaining sheet. So in bracket it is given pi is equal to 3.14. So sometime we will get pi value 22 by 7. So if you divide 22 by 7, the answer will get 3.14 continuously. Okay, so 3.14. So that is approximately equal to 22 by 7. Okay. Now first you have to find the remaining area of the sheet. Area they are asking. So first we must know what is the area of larger circle. Now we should not consider smaller circle. First we have to consider the larger circle. How much area is there in that sheet, circular sheet. Okay. So now this is 4 centimeter circular sheet. Now so you have to find the area. Area is equal to pi r square. Clear? So directly you can solve this. okay, or else separate, like finding area of larger circle, and similarly you would find area of a smaller circle. Then from larger circle you have to subtract the smaller circle. Then remaining is the area of the remaining sheets. Clear? So we'll do directly. We want to find the area of remaining sheets. Area of remaining sheet is equal to area of larger circle minus area of a smaller circle. Area of larger circle, from larger circle we have to subtract the smaller circle. We know smaller circle radius is given 3 centimeter. So now we want to substitute here, write the formulas. Area of remaining sheet to find, formula is pi r square. So large circle radius I will consider capital R. Large circle radius is capital R, that is I will write 4 centimeter, and small circle radius is a smaller circle radius is a 3 centimeter, that we can write by small r, capital R and a small r. So this is a representation. Okay, so pi r square, from larger circle we can subtract the smaller circle, that is also circle shape. So the formula is pi r square. Here also pi r square. Clear? So this is a larger circle area and this is a smaller circle area. So if you observe here, pi is a common, right? Same. Here also we can see pi. In this term also we can see pi. Pi we can take a common factor. So means we can write outside. So what is remaining here? R square minus R square. Capital R square remaining. If I take pi outside, remaining R square. Here also if I take pi outside, remaining small r square. So that is what area of the remaining sheet. So pi value we know 3.14. Pi value is 3.14 and capital R is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter the whole square minus, and smaller circle radius is a 3 centimeter the whole square. Clear? So this is a 4 centimeter square minus a 3 centimeter whole square. Okay, we'll simplify this. 3.14 into 4 centimeter the whole square. 4 square is a 4 into 4, that is a 16 centimeter square minus 3 centimeter whole square, 3 into 3, that is 9 centimeter square. So if we subtract, we get 3.14 into 16 minus 9. So that is a 7 centimeter square. Okay. Now we have to multiply these two, 3.14 into 7. So if we multiply, we will get 7 4s are 28 to remaining. 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 2 9, 7 3s are 21. So here after decimal point 2 digit, so you can leave 2 digit and put a decimal point. So 21.98, that is the area of the remaining sheet. First we have to find the area of larger circle, how much area is there in the circular sheet. So from that circular sheet we want to remove the smaller circle. Okay, so that is a 3 centimeter smaller circle. If we remove that smaller circle, the remaining area, how much area is remaining, that we have to find out. Clear? So area of larger circle pi r square formula minus smaller circle I considered small letter r, so pi r square. So if we subtract, we will get 21.98, that is the area of remaining sheets. Okay, the next question, find the perimeter of the adjoining figure. You have to find the perimeter of the adjoining figure which is semicircle including its diameter. So the given figure is a semicircle, not full circle. So that is what a half circle. Semicircle means a half circle. So if we join this, we will get one full circle, isn't it? So here it is given only half circle, semicircle. So diameter is a 10 centimeter. Okay. The question is find the perimeter. We have to find the perimeter. Perimeter means the length of this semicircle. So this plus diameter. Okay. This much area plus diameter also you have to include. Total perimeter of the given figure. So that figure is a semicircle. Figure is what? Semicircle, including its diameter. So first we will find what is the perimeter of a semicircle, and here diameter is given. Diameter is 10 centimeter. So what is the radius? Radius is 10 centimeter divided by 2. So 2 ones are, 2 5s are 10. So 5 centimeter. So this is the radius of the circle. Radius is 5 centimeter. So perimeter of semicircle. Perimeter of semicircle. Perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. So same formula, 2 into pi into r. Okay, this is a perimeter of circle, 2 pi r. And here semicircle, half circle. So you have to divide by 2, means 1 by 2, half of this circle. Here semicircle means half circle. So perimeter of circle is 2 pi r formula. So divided by 2. Why? Because we are taking only half circle. So divided by 2. Clear? So now you have to substitute the values. 2 into pi value is not given. So if you want, you can write it as 3.14, or else you can write 22 by 7 into radius we know 5 centimeter. Clear? So divided by 2. If you want direct here, you can cancel this next step. You can write, okay. 2 ones are cancel. So remaining 22 by 7 into 5 centimeter. So we have to multiply this 22 by 7 into 5 centimeter. So if you multiply 22 into 5, 5 2s are 10, 1 remaining, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, divided by 7 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of semicircle. So 7 divides 110, 7 ones are 7, means 4 remaining 40, 7 5s are 35, 35 means 5 remaining, isn't it? So 5 remaining 50, so 7s are 15.7, 1 remaining, 7 ones are, so 15.71, that is perimeter of semicircle. Clear? So they are asking to find two adjoining figure, perimeter of the adjoining figure, means including diameter. Semicircle perimeter we got 15.71 plus you have to add include diameter. So perimeter of the adjoining figure, total perimeter of the adjoining figure is equal to semicircle 15.71 plus diameter. Diameter we know 10 centimeter. So if we add this, we will get 25.71 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of adjoining figure. Here, okay. The next question in perimeter and area. See, from a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter, circular card of a sheet. So this is what circle shape, circular card of sheet of radius is given 14 centimeter. This is a circular sheet of radius, circle shape. The circle radius is given 14 centimeter. 2 circles of radius. This is a 2 circles. Inside that 2 circles, that radius is given 3.5 and this is also 3.5 centimeter. and a rectangle of length, this is a rectangle of length is 3 centimeter and breadth is a 1 centimeter. 3 centimeter is a length and 1 centimeter is a breadth are removed. So from large circular sheet, this is a large circular sheet, from that two circles and one rectangle is removed. So now they are asking to find the area of the remaining sheet. So in a large circle, that you have to subtract two smaller circle and one rectangle. So remaining area we have to find out. So first to find the remaining area of the card, to find this is the remaining area. If you remove the two circles and one rectangle, remaining area we have to find out. So now first we have to find what is the total area of that larger circle. Okay. Larger circle, or we can say that bigger circle. That formula is pi r square. So pi value is given, that is 22/7. So substitute your 22/7 and radius we know 14. So 14 whole square means we can write 14 into 14. Clear? R square means R into R. So I wrote 14 into 14. Why? Because we can simplify this. Okay. So now 7 ones are 7 twos are. We can simplify like this. 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. 22 into 14. 14 twos are 28. Is it correct? 2 fours are 8. 2 ones are 2. 28. So now if we multiply 22 into 28, so we will multiply first. 8 twos are 16. 1 remaining. 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 1 17. Now 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. So answer 6 1 and 5 6. So 616 centimeter square. Clear? So this is the area. So now we got answer 616 centimeter square. So this calculation we can do in the side. Okay. Now this is area of the larger circle, bigger circle area. Total area is 616 centimeter square. From that we have to subtract two smaller circle and one rectangle. Two smaller circle and one rectangle. So now we'll find the area of the smaller circle. Pi r square. So that is also circular shape. So circle shape. So formula is pi r square. So two circles are there. So we can take 2 into. Okay. Can write 2 into. So pi value we know 22/7 and radius is radius of smaller circle is given 3.5 centimeter. So that is a radius. So 3.5 into 3.5. Why? Because the r square means 2 times r into r. So pi value is 22/2 and r is 3.5, the whole square, that is 3.5 into 3.5. Here this why I wrote 2, because the two circles are there, two smaller circle. One circle is 2 pi r and the circle also pi r square plus pi r square, that is 2 pi r square. Okay. Why? Together you can find the answer. Why? Because both smaller circle radius is 3.5. So we can find the area together. So 2 into 7 ones are, or else you can write this decimal point as fraction. Okay. So 22/7 into this 3.5 means 35/10. Again 35/10. Okay. Like this you can write. Decimal can be written in fraction. So we'll get 2 into 7 divided. 7 ones are 7 5s are 7 ones are 7 5s are. Next here 10 divides, right? 5 ones are 5 2s are, and your 5 7s are 5 2s are 10. So what is remaining here? 22 into 7 and denominator is 2 into 2. So I think 22 7s are 154. Correct? 7 2s are 14, 1 remaining. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. So 154 divided by 2 2s are 4. So now again divides 2 1s are 2 2s are. So answer 154 divided by 2. You can simplify. 2 1s are 2 7s are 14 7s are. So that answer is 77 centimeters square. That is area of two smaller circle. Similarly, we have to find the area of a rectangle. How to find the area of a rectangle? So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So area of rectangle, length into breadth. Length we know, length is 3 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. Length is 3 centimeter, breadth is 1 centimeter. So 3 ones are 3. Centimeter into centimeter, that is a centimeter square. So this is area of a rectangle. Now the question is, find the area of the remaining sheet. In the larger circle, the circular sheet, if I remove these two circle shape and one rectangle, if I remove this, what is remaining? How much space is remaining inside the sheet? Clear? So if I remove two circles and one rectangle, so remaining area of the sheet. So how to find? Now I'll write here. Question is find the area of the remaining sheet. So area of remaining sheet of the remaining sheet is equal to, so what we have to do, from large circle, area of bigger circle, minus area of, what you have to do, area of, from large circle we have to subtract, so minus area of two smaller circle plus one rectangle. Okay, two smaller circle and one rectangle. Clear? So these two you have to add, two circles and one rectangle. So from large circle we want to remove these two circle and rectangle. Okay, so now we know that area of bigger circle we know 616 centimeters square. So this is the area of bigger circle. So now we have to minus the area of smaller circle and rectangle. Two smaller circle and rectangle. So area of two smaller circle is 77 centimeters square. Okay, plus area of rectangle is 3 centimeters square. So now if you add, now 616 centimeters square minus 77 plus 3, that is 80 centimeter square. 80 centimeters square. So now we have to subtract from 616 minus 80. 616 minus 80, we subtract, we get 6 minus 0, 6. 1 minus 8 is not possible. So 11 minus 8, that is 3. Is it correct? So now remaining here 5. So 536 centimeter square. So this is the area of the remaining sheet. So this is area of the remaining sheet. Clear? Thank you. Okay. The next question, that is ninth one. Say a circle of radius. A circle of radius is 2 centimeter is cut out from a square piece of aluminium sheet. Clear? So now you have to imagine, or you have to draw one square shape. Okay, draw square shape aluminium sheet. Okay, this is a square. From this, a circle of radius 2 centimeter of circle of radius is cut out from a square piece of aluminium sheet. Clear? So this is the square aluminium sheet. In that 2 centimeter of circle is cut out from the aluminum sheet. Clear? So now the question is, aluminum sheet of side is given 6 centimeter. So this aluminum sheet side is 6 centimeter and this is also 6 centimeter. So now what we have to find is, what is the area left over aluminum sheet? What is the area left over aluminum sheet? Okay. So first we can write area of square. Okay, that means aluminum sheet that is in the shape of square. So first we have to find what is the area of a square. So you know the formula, area of square is a side into side. The formula is side into side. So side is, we know, 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter into 6 is a 36 centimeter square. So this is what area of the aluminum sheet. So from the square of aluminum sheet, we want to, in the question it is given, a circle of radius 2 centimeter is cut out from the aluminum sheet. So 2 centimeter of circle is removed. Means how much area of circle is removed, that you have to find out. The radius we know 2 centimeter. So now first we have to find the area of circle, smaller circle, that is removed from that. The formula is pi r square. Okay. So pi value is 3.14 into radius. Radius is 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter. Understood? Or else you can write 2 centimeter the whole square. Direct you can write 2 to the 4. Okay. So I wrote r square as r into r. So r is 2 centimeter. This is also 2 centimeter. 2 to the 4. So 3.14 into 4 centimeter. 3.14 into 4 centimeter. That is 4 4s are 16. 1 remaining. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 4 3s are 12. So 12.56 centimeter square, that is area of the circle. Clear? Area of square we know 36 centimeter square, and area of that circle is 12.56 centimeter square. So now we come to know the area of circle and square. So now question is, what is the remaining area left over the aluminum sheet? If we remove this much area, circle shape, from a square, and what area is remaining? So that how to find? So to find area of the remaining sheet, like this, remaining area of the aluminum sheet. Okay, remaining area of aluminum sheet is equal to area of the remaining sheet of the aluminum sheet is area of square minus area of circle. Okay, from area of square you have to subtract area of a circle. So area of square we know that is 36 centimeter square minus area of circle, that is 12.56 centimeter square. So we can subtract here 36 minus 12.56. So there is no decimal point, so we can take extra 0 0. So 10 minus 6 is 4, and here is remaining 9 minus 5, that is 4. So here 5 minus 2 is 3, and 2 minus 3 minus 1 is 2. So answer 23.44 centimeter square. So this is the remaining area of the aluminum sheet after removing 2 centimeter of a circle. Clear? Yes. Thank you.